Hey, it's Aaron from AaronOnAutos.com, and today I've got a good question from Shigeki. I know how to say that because I was told how to say that. Otherwise, I would have no idea how to say this name. Anyway, Shigeki wants to know if a truck has a extended warranty, or so in-vehicle warranty or extended warranty. If you use a non-OEM filter, so use a air filter from the store instead of, like a regular automotive parts store, versus the OEM recommended one that you would get from, say, the from the dealership or somewhere, will that void a warranty? The short answer is it probably wouldn't. The longer version of that is the manufacturer, in order to void a warranty, has to prove that whatever voided the warranty had a direct effect on the failure that caused the warranty void. So in other words, if the truck breaks down, say the axle snaps, the air filter does not have anything to do with that. If the engine were to break a seal or otherwise have early problems, most likely the air filter has nothing to do with that. Now, if it does have issues caused by, the airflow or something happening in the manifold, or in the top of the engine or in the cylinders because of airflow, then yes, they could use this as an excuse. The chances of them doing that are very, very slim. You'd have to be using a terrible, terrible filter, or no filter at all. So chances are that is not going to void your warranty. Now, with extended warranties, it's a little different. Extended warranties can be third market or manufacturer supported. Most of the time they are third market. Third market warranties have a well-deserved and terrible reputation for using every single possible clause to weasel out of paying anything, or paying much of anything. This is why most of us in the business do not recommend extended warranties. So there you go. That's basically the short answer. The chances of an air filter affecting an engine to the point where you're going to void warranty because you didn't use the recommended filter, it's slim to none. It's very, very small. Other things are different, though. So don't apply this same logic to oil filters. Don't apply this same logic to, say, seals, replacement parts, etc., etc. But as far as air filters go, you can use this logic. So hope that answers the question. Hope it helps. This has been Aaron. If you have a question and you want me to answer it, you can hit me up. Comments down below. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Just tag me if you do. Find me, email me, whatever you want to do. Aaron on Autos up there. However you can get a hold of me. Ask me your question, and I will do my best to answer it. So that's what I got. This has been Aaron. Talk to you again soon.